Hi there! Are you interested or curious in learning about the Bible, its link to technology, creation, and the time? You're at the right place. In this video, I'll be discussing the Bible, technology, creation, what past civilizations did with technology, and how it affects us in this present civilization as we grasp the new trends that technology brings to the table. I hope you stay tuned because I have a lot to share with you in this video. There is much truth in what is being observed today as it relates to the rapid advancement of technology and its impact on our daily lives. There are things that we could do today that weren't possible 5, 7, and even 13 years ago. And all of that is due to the advancements in techniques and practices used to make technology both accessible and easier to use. Notwithstanding all of this, there are some dangers that are more likely to affect us today than they would have affected us 7+ years ago, and most of it is physically related. So we have brighter screens, longer battery lives, more addictive trends, applications, and practices, and these things pose potential dangers to health and wellness. So it's very important to practice extra temperance now than you ever have done, especially today. Remember that technology at its core is just a tool. It isn't a substitute for real world connections. So while you use technology to help you learn more about the world outside of your purview, it is also a good idea to explore other non-technological forms of connection. So with every interaction you make using technology, try to double your interactions outside of the technological space. And wherever you are, that could mean going to the park or going to somewhere that is not filled with signs of technological use. Maybe the country, maybe the mountains. That depends on where you are in the world. Some practical strategies that you can use and employ to manage your use of technology in this day and age include limiting your screen time. Most Apple devices have a feature called screen on time management, and this will give you a rundown of what your screen time has been for the week or for the day, and you can set up the hours or time frame in which Apple will deliver this report to you. It should be also accessible on Android devices, but you will have to visit your manufacturer's website and check your device to see if your device qualifies for such features. It's probably a good idea to use this video as well as other occasions to reflect on what it is you have been doing in regards to your use of technology over the years. Has your use of technology increased or decreased throughout the years? Have you adopted better ways of incorporating technology in your day-to-day use? Or is it that technology is pulling you along for the ride, so to speak? You have the answer to those questions, and you don't have to tell me what they are, but you can answer them in your spare time. Whatever your answer is, your next steps will determine whether or not you find that technology and its effect on you are as critical as they should be. Technology can be a very powerful tool for positive change. I personally use it to connect with others. I also use it to learn new skills, and via this medium I'm using it to share important information with you. And I hope you are using it to do one of the three. Don't use it as a tool for spreading propaganda or to tear down persons you care about. Use it as a tool for good.